Happy Tuesday, everybody. Hard at work on the job site. Let's see what we've accomplished so far here. All right, there's the boss. It's not always the best deal when electricians and carpenters work together, but we kind of have our different methodologies of doing things, but it's the boss's house and you got to honor the system, right? So what we've done so far is cutting a piece of this baseboard molding over here. And why did you remove that first piece? Did it get busted or something?
I washed the walls in here with the TSP.
Oh, it absorbed
made it hella juicy.
Okay, yeah. When it gets juicy, it expands. So we laid in a new baseboard there, cut that in, checked there. Always measure 6 times and cut once. So that's a pretty nice fit in there. Some of our pencil lines in there. So that's the first thing we did, was get that popped in there. Then we're undercutting where the carpet is on the doors to make sure we cut back that carpet there on this door and this door. That's now been accomplished. We removed all the nail strips that were holding some of the carpet down and cut them clean, and then cut the carpet clean. This is where our T transition pieces are going to go. Here for these doorways. So we're making pretty good progress today. We've got a center work table. We're going to have to shift location on that as we get some of our material down there. So okay, so we are underway. I'm also checking the floor, and you guys got to make sure if you're putting down Pergo or any kind of flooring, make sure you don't have any screws, nail heads, staples, anything, because that will transmit through the surface here, okay? And you will eventually see that with the natural wear and gravity and pressure on it. So, okay, boss, are you happy?
Yeah, we're moving on. I'm happy with that.
All right. All right, guys, I'm heading to the Home Depot to get the right nails. You can't trust an electrician, right, to get the right stuff, so sometimes you just got to go yourself to set some of these door strips for the T transition molding. Gotta get the right stuff, right? So y'all chill out a while and I'll be back. Over to the Home Depot. See there, we're layering in our transition strips to hold the T molding, the transition strip. I'm very carefully measuring off of this construction line, because I know this is true for the 4x8 they used here, making sure that's perfectly square to that line. Same thing with this over here, but look at this. This is kind of it's pretty acceptable level right in here. But look what happens when you get down here with that. That floor is dipping down a good 3/8 of an inch right there. So this, to really fit properly, the floor should be shimmed. But boss said to hell with it, so we'll just roll with it as it is. Run along. We're going to take a lunch break. So it's very critical that your first measurements and your first door jam transition pieces be set perfectly square. So as I said, I've measured them off of this this board here, because I know that's laid true. So we're pretty good right there. But just to give you an idea that things can be a little bit screwed up, and carpet covers a lot of problems, right? Boss is undercutting the door frames here. Welcome back, everybody. The first two pieces around the door are arguably the most difficult ones, and these two doors are not on the same plane here. This door is slightly forward from that one, so it took a little bit of nibbling and cutting to make that happen. on that, but we're rolling along with the first two pieces in place. Should be pretty good. Inspector is on the job. What do you think? It's kind of a handsome, very handsome pattern here. Yeah, now that we got the hard cuts done, everybody, we're just flying across the field.
Work.
Well, he'll be feeling it tomorrow because this, I got some problems with this. This doesn't even sit square to the material. These are Roberts. I've seen guys use these, but it's okay, They're not going to make the ultra sharp for home use. What do you think?
Starting to shape up.
You liking the color and everything of it?
I always like the color,
Yeah, I think it's a really cool pattern. It really makes things pop now, right? So, which is cool. So, yeah, it takes a while. Nothing's ever fast. I mean, we got to make sure we're exactly true to the room, and we don't need anything to run out in different directions. But okay, guys, here's the latest update. It's going to be a wrap for day one. Are you pretty happy? I mean, everything's learning the material, learning the tools that neither of us have ever put in floating floor before. So it's kind of a learning curve, but it's looking very handsome here. This is very complex due to the different depths of the doors I explained earlier. Plus, you got to make sure that the flooring is going to run true, and I'm always using these construction joints here to measure along here from down at this point on the end to that, and then turning around here and making sure it's the same distance to the line here right over to there, and we're within the 1/16 of an inch, which is pretty good. So we don't want an error to run out here. So it's been a long day today, guys, and we should be able to flow this in a couple hours, I think, because we're moving very rapidly. Janet made a wonderful, wonderful dinner tonight, so we got the methodology. We also have a French guillotine in case anybody steps out of line here. You saw the boss using that, huh? It's a very handsome floor though, isn't it? I know I look ragged out today. It's been a long day, but I want to thank you guys. There's the boss sneaking out the door there. But thanks for being here today, everybody, for part one, day one of the project. I think we'll have some more fast flow tomorrow. We know the material, we know the methodology and all that. And clearly we're getting good results so far. So thanks so much for being along, and thumbs up are appreciated. See you tomorrow.